Hello tribe, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Taylluna. Welcome to the channel. I'm so happy to have you. On this channel we make all sorts of spiritual videos and I can't wait to learn and grow with you and teach you some stuff. But today's video is a little different. I haven't done a fun little hippie swap in a really long time. If you guys want to see the videos that I used to film, I used to do cute little swap boxes with different YouTubers here in the hippie spiritual community. And so if you want to see some of the old ones, I'll link them in the description. But I recently made an awesome new YouTube friend. Her name is Princess Jasmine. I'm gonna go ahead and leave her YouTube channel link in the description so you can check her out. Give her some love. I love her videos, and I know if you like my videos, you will love her vibe too. So we decided to team up and film a little video together and do a fun little hippie swap. Since it's right around the holidays, we figured this would be the perfect time. And I got my box today. I'm so excited. It's so heavy and I'm just beyond stoked to unwrap this with you guys. Let's just dive right in. I did just open one little flap of the box. This one is still closed, so I didn't open anything. But what I did see is this adorable art on the box. We're both super into aliens and UFOs and all kinds of stuff, so I love that she took the time to decorate the inside of this. It just made me so happy. And I'm having such an off day today. You guys will see in the vlog. I've just been like in a mood and all the things. So this showing up at my door totally made my day. Get ready, I'm coming to California to see you. But let's go ahead. I'm gonna just open up the rest of the box. The amount of tape on this thing is no joke. And then, that's so cute. The other side of the box has a moon. Just gonna take a guess. That's me! This is just so cute and thoughtful. And there's a little message. Can you see the struggle right now to hold this up for you? There's a little message right here. What does it say? It says, "Hey Tay, hope you love my super extra-ness. Love and good vibes, Natasha." I'm so freaking excited. So I'm gonna just dive in and start with this because I think I know what this is. Oh my god, you guys! This is the cutest little sage bundle I've ever seen. I'm gonna be, I don't want to give any spoilers for what I'm sending her in my box. So I'm gonna just link her channel in the description and you can see all the things that I sent her. I'm sure they're gonna be very similar. But yeah, I don't want to spoil it if you haven't seen it or spoil it for Natasha. So anyway, this is the first little thing that I opened. This is the cutest little sage bundle I've ever seen. There's some full like flowers in there and I'm really, really excited. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to burn it though. I just want to keep it on my altar and like love it. I'm so weird. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you, girl. Oh my gosh. These always make me so overwhelmed and I needed this today. That's all I'm gonna say, okay? Next. I'll try and open it so you can see it. Let me bring this down. How about that? Yeah, so you can watch me actually open them. Ooh, so we have some lavender incense cones. This is the by the brand Hem or H-E-M. Just want to sniff them. Oh, they smell so good. If you guys know anything about me, you know that I'm absolutely obsessed with lavender. I have it literally all over my house. So I'm so excited to be able to now burn it as incense. I'm probably gonna use these right after this video. Yay! I'm such an easy person to please. It's unbelievable. All right. I just do want to comment also how amazingly wrapped these all are. Thank you for putting the love and effort in. We have two little Buddha figures, I think, right here. Oh my god, they're so cute. Okay, so here's the first one. And I have a bunch of cute little shelves that need new like goodies for them. That sounded very odd. I have a bunch of cute little crystal shelves. I'll put a picture of what I'm talking about. So these little things would fit so perfectly, but it's just a little Buddha guy, and then let's check out his friend. These are adorable. I'm so excited to put those in the little shelves. I'll definitely show you guys in a video. But they're so cute. yay! And they match my shirt. All right. So next we have this guy. There's fun paper all over and I'm loving it. There's like sparklies, all the things. Holy shit. Excuse my French. But we got herbs, girl. We got herbs, y'all. Okay, what'd she send? This is Moon Magic. Premium incense, oils, and herbs. This is hyssop, HYSSOP. I don't know anything about it. What I do know is that it smells phenomenal. So whatever this is, I'm in love with it. I'm super excited. Oh, this smells so good. Let me know what you guys like to use these kinds of herbs for in like projects or DIYs or meditation rituals, whatever. I would love to know. But this is the herb that she sent me and I'm really excited to try it out. She also sent a cedar smudge stick, which is perfect for Christmas time. And I'm really excited to try it out. It's so pretty. I love getting new herbs that people like that I don't typically use. It's just fun. I like to use the things that you like, you know? Just makes me feel like we're friends. Some of the things are kind of falling out of their little packages, so I'm gonna try and be careful. All right, so this one here, the top guy fell off, so we'll find him. He's in the box somewhere. But this is, ooh, an aromatherapy room spray. Stimulating cinnamon and invigorating ginger. How interesting. Wow, that smells so good. Little did I know would I spray this all over my house, my car, and bring it everywhere. Holy crap. Yeah, I am so freaking excited to try this. I love using room sprays and I love using sprays for your pillows at night, so I'm really excited to try this. Thank you, girl. Next, well, I guess I'll do this one. Next, I have these. Oh, shit. I wasn't expecting that. This is beautiful. Holy crap. Try and get the wrapping off. She wrapped these so well. This is the most beautiful piece of pyrite I have ever seen. Can you guys see like the formation of that is like a full square? Holy crap, this is beautiful, girl. Thank you so much. This stone is amazing for manifesting abundance. This paired with some citrine and you are good to go, girlfriend, let me tell you. I'll do a whole video about that, but this is just so beautiful. I cannot wait to keep this on my altar and it will remind me of you every time I see it. So thank you so much for adding some of your magic to my life. It's just the best. So she sent, the box is starting to fall apart just because it's like plastic, but she sent an entire box filled with tea lights, which if you know, my lifestyle revolves around tea lights like crazy. I need lots, so thank you, because these are gonna go to great freaking use. And these are the really nice ones with like the plastic outside. I really like these. They last a lot longer than like just the little tin ones or aluminum ones. I don't really know what they're wrapped in. But yeah, so I'm gonna burn these and then I'm probably gonna use the little tins. I'm gonna fill them with soil and start little seedlings in there and grow some plants and some succulents. This is perfect for succulents, just to recycle the plastic. Oh, I'm so excited for all the things, holy crap. So we have, ooh, this is a solar plexus protection candle, but it says this chakra holds the chi or life force, which shields you from harm. It leads you to your own unique gift in work, art, and service, bringing you harmony in your life. That's beautiful. I love it. It's bergamot, lime, and grapefruit. I'm so excited to burn this. I've never seen little chakra candles like this, so thank you. And I actually just finished working up all on that sacral chakra, so I'm moving right up to the solar plexus. This is perfect timing. Thank you so much. I have this little bit right here. Did you see that sparkle fly? Magic. We got Egyptian, I cannot talk, Egyptian jasmine. Ah, I'm so excited. I literally love all incense. They just smell so good. I'm super excited. An Egyptian, how fun. Some different energies for me to work with. I got patchouli, oh, a classic. Gotta love patchouli. Patchouli everything, y'all. Smells so good. And I love the boxes. I don't know why. I like the little octagon. Is it an octagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagon. I don't know why I like this shape better than just the square. Maybe just because it's different. I don't know. I'm weird. And then I love this one. This is a pretty ass design. This one is an Om incense, the first sound of the universe. Om is the universal like sound of the universe. That was funny the way I said that. Oh, I'm really excited to try these. I just ran out of like all my incense too, so you just know me already. Oh, we're just meant to be best friends. That's just how this works. All of us are meant to be best friends. And then the last one is Lord Buddha, which of course I love. Oh, and I'm really excited to burn these, so that'll be really fun. Thank you. Oh, can't wait to add these to my little incense collection. All right, we're almost done, y'all. We're almost done. I have this little guy right here. All the sparkles everywhere, and this is adorable. This is just a little bottle of matchsticks. And it's so cute. I love this. I actually always find myself needing them too. I can never find lighters anywhere. And I prefer to use regular matches when I'm doing spiritual like work. So thank you very much. These are gonna definitely come in handy. There's a little strike bar right there. That's just so cute. It's so aesthetically pleasing. I'm obsessed with it. We have some crystals just chilling at the bottom. This is a gorgeous little chunk of celestite, a beautiful like light blue crystal. This is a really good crystal for just calming. It's a good crystal for your like upper chakras, I guess you could say. The throat chakra for communication, your third eye. I would say definitely more throat chakra. It's a lighter blue. But I love celestite. It's so beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh, these crystals are amazing. We also got a piece of black tourmaline, one of my all-time favorites. This is like the all-time protection stone, so you can put this in the corners of your home to protect your space. You can put them in your purse to protect your purse from getting stolen or from losing it. Put it in your car. This stone is just perfect for keeping you nice and safe. So thank you so much. You're like my little angel protecting me from afar. Told you I'd find him. Now I can spray. Oh yes, that smells so good. That smells so good. I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, so there was a little happy accident. Look at me going all Bob Ross. The candle that she sent me smells so good, but it broke a little bit. The glass did. So, oh, and it's called Moonlight. Oh, that's so beautiful. So I'm gonna just actually keep this part that's intact and just put it in another bowl and let it burn out because I can't get rid of that. Look how gorgeous. And it smells so good. Oh, I can't wait to burn this. Ah, thank you so much. We're almost done, y'all. There's a few little things at the bottom. We have some gorgeous shells and a little note inside. So of course I gotta open it. You know. All right, it says, enjoy these shells from the California beach. I know I like to keep shells from different places on my altar, so I figured why not send you some beautiful shells from good old Santa Cruz, California. Love and good vibes. That was so thoughtful of you. Thank you, girl. You're gonna be getting a little piece of Sarasota in your box too, so don't you worry. I'll be adding to your altar seashell collection. These are beautiful. And yes, I do use seashells a lot in my work. I'm a Cancer. It just fits with me, so I love having a piece of your home with me. It's so magical. Yay, thank you. There's a couple little crystals just floating around. That might actually have come off of this crystal. But now I have two little pieces of tourmaline, so I'm gonna probably keep this one on my altar and wrap this one into a pendant, so I get to keep it with me all the time. Yay! And then we have this little pouch here of some crystals. Gotta have all them crystals, you know. But let's see what it says. She sent some carnelian, aventurine, and snowflake obsidian. And here are the little cards on them if you want to stop and read them. But yeah, we got 2 or 3 little tumbled stones, and I absolutely love these. Are actually making my hand like insanely warm right now. Does that sound crazy? I don't know. I'm feeling that snowflake obsidian, let me tell you. I'm super excited to work with these, and I'm just over the moon excited. I don't think you have any idea. Oh my god. And they come in my favorite color little cinch bag. I'm super excited about these, so thank you so much. She also sent the most beautiful incense stick, or incense holder, and it has a moon on it. I have so many of these, but I have never been able to find one with a moon on the end, so thank you for completing my collection. I'm gonna be using this tonight. There's one last bit on the bottom. I'm just trying to be careful since there's a little bit of glass broken off, which I'm sure I'll find a use for. That's just how I roll. But she sent this guy right here. Oh, and I love it. Buddhist quotes. What an amazing gift idea of quote book. And of course, you know me and my quotes on Instagram all the time. So watch, I'm gonna probably use every single one of these on Instagram. Shameless plug, follow me on Insta. Oh my gosh. I'll put Natasha's Instagram up on the screen too, so you can go and follow her as well. But I'm so excited to sit and read all kinds of quotes from Buddha. That's amazing. Well, thank you so much, Natasha, Princess Jasmine, my new queen, my hippie California queen, my hippie Jeep living California queen. Thank you so much for taking the time to reach out and send me a box and just be such an amazing friend over the internet. Like, I cannot wait to meet you and have a blast in person sometime, because that's gonna happen. I'm manifesting it really hard. I'm gonna go add all of these little goodies to my altar, and I will show you all about it in my Vlogmas videos, so make sure you catch up on those. But that is all for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It's been so long, too long. I promise I will get more of these videos out to you, and yeah, share more spiritual YouTubers with you. If you have any favorite hippie spiritual yogi YouTubers that you think I would love, please leave them in the comments, or if you make videos yourself, I would love to watch them and connect with you, and yeah, we're just one big happy family. So like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm going to link her channel in the description, and then as soon as she posts her unboxing video of my box, I will leave that video down there for you guys as well, so you can see what I sent her. But thank you so much, girl. I love you to the moon and back, and thank you for watching. I love you to the moon and back, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.